Argon, a noble gas in the elemental kingdom. Embark on a journey through the periodic table, where elements reveal their unique tales. Today, our focus is on Argon, a noble gas that silently guards Inert harmony, influencing the Earth's atmosphere and playing a vital role in various scientific and industrial applications. An overview of Argon. Meet Argon, symbol AR, an inert gas nestled in the noble gases group with an atomic number of 18. Although colorless and odorless, Argon's presence is far from insignificant. Join us as we explore the quiet but impactful story of this noble element. Argon is reflected in its composition: 18 protons, 22 neutrons, and 18 electrons. This stable configuration places it in the esteemed group of noble gases, characterized by their inert and non-reactive nature. While it might not engage in chemical acrobatics, Argon's influence is widespread and significant. Argon in Earth's atmosphere. Abundant in the Earth's atmosphere, Argon comprises a fraction of the air we breathe. Its presence contributes to the atmospheric balance and stability. Argon's role in the atmosphere extends beyond mere abundance. Argon in welding. While Argon might be inert, it finds an active role in industrial applications, particularly welding. In its gaseous form, Argon shields welding arcs, preventing oxidation and ensuring clean and strong welds. The noble calm of Argon belies its dynamic contribution to the precision and quality of metalworking processes. Argon in lighting. Argon's luminous potential is harnessed in lighting technology. Encased in glass tubes and charged with electricity, Argon emits a distinctive glow, contributing to the brilliance of neon signs and fluorescent lights. Its unreactive nature ensures a stable and long-lasting illumination, making it a preferred choice in various lighting applications. Argon in scientific research. The innate charm of Argon finds its place in scientific research. In laboratories, Argon provides a controlled and stable environment, shielding sensitive experiments from unwanted chemical interactions. Its role extends to fields like spectroscopy, where the lack of interference allows for precise analysis and measurement. Argon in cooling applications. The cold embrace of Argon is harnessed in cooling applications. In its liquid form, Argon becomes a cryogenic agent used to achieve extremely low temperatures in scientific research, medical procedures, and industrial processes. Liquid Argon is a cryogenic liquid. It has a very low boiling point of -303 degrees Fahrenheit, -186 degrees Celsius. Its ability to maintain low temperatures with stability makes Argon a valuable asset in various cooling applications. Argon in winemaking. Nature finds an unexpected but crucial application in winemaking. As a preservative gas, it is used to displace oxygen in wine bottles, preventing oxidation and maintaining the wine's freshness and flavor. In the subtle art of winemaking, Argon silently contributes to the preservation of vintages. Our exploration of Argon, the noble gas, reveals its quiet but profound influence in Earth's atmosphere and diverse applications. From welding to lighting, Argon's noble calm shapes industries and scientific endeavors. Join us for more talks about chemical elements.